Well, hello, how are you? I am under the water. Oh my god. So, see this? Wait, actually, why did I close that drawer? You see this, and you see this box, then I guess there's no way to not show this is all that I have, and this is all that I add to all that I have. And then you look at it all, and you see that it's by colors, and you see that it's these kinds of amounts of these kinds of, what is it, 2 by 6. Yeah, and then we go over here and it's these amounts of 2 by 6, and it's not the same. Obviously, for a lot of it doesn't really matter, but I mean, actually, yeah, I don't have any green, or like I only have one sand colored 2 by 6 plate. So it's all of this versus 4 of these here boxes of ice cream that are now empty. Within them, 3 of them was all this, and now it's not going to be. I mean, what I did kind of, not actually, did do it, is put a lot of like this and then that and then that, of which, of black and gray, and then at parts, I guess, yellow and red and white, of course, too, of which there's a lot, and put them all in one place. But I mean, even then, I put these like 2 gray plates, the ones in the middle, the light gray, alongside the many of these black and dark gray. So that's no, right here you have stacks of 4 of these 2x4s or 2x2s, and then there's the reds, and then there's less of these, and then even less of these. So all of this, and probably maybe this, I don't know. These might even go in their own little sector within those boxes, with a lot of the sectors and things. But yeah, this and that, maybe, I don't know what is small amounts of those things. Just one. What is it even? This is like a gray. Well, not a gray. What am I saying? It's like a green, but like a light kind of green. It's not lime. It's not dark green, and it's not green. It's like yeah. Oh wait, actually, there's a few more here. I think it might be like from Minecraft sets. So the plan is to figure this out now, because let's see, these 1x4s. We got yellow, I'm looking over. We got some green. We got some white. We got some black. We've got some brown. But then over here, we've got a lot of black and a lot of brown and a lot of white. But then also a bunch of blue, a bunch of red, a bunch of yellow, and a lot of green. And so the amounts are not the same. There's only 2 or 1 of each color. So obviously that again goes alongside the rest, of which there's only a few of. And then, well, we can go on to the box, go on to this. This is all that I have. I mean, like, I'd be repeating myself if I was like going over each and every single thing, so I don't want to do that. But let's see. Actually, first, it will be easier to pull out here. There's a lot of wheels, so it's easier to pull out this thing that's got a lot of wheels. And a whole friggin' what is it? They just a whole car in there, the red thing. Just put pieces on it. So this is all just wheels. I don't really know. Just the smaller ones, I guess, are not gonna go in there. Maybe, I don't know. But essentially, it's that's just kind of how it's gonna go. Actually, why did I do that? Shouldn't have done that. Come on. Oh no, whatever. So there is where all those boxes go. All these ice cream boxes, that's where they fit. And then where there was something missing, where the wheels weren't covered, that's where this goes. But this is all sorts of bricks, all sorts of different sizes, as you can see. And then in here, we got 2 bags, actually, like this. We got a bag of bigger pieces that I now sort of, it was like all in the box, just as it was, but now I just put them in bags, and it's still not good. I mean, like, you have this 1x1x4 tall brick, a few of them. There's just a lot of these smaller pieces in it. I don't know, because I'm going to be using the 4 of these for the plates, most likely. So the bricks, I don't even know where they're going to go. I guess in boxes, because, well, I have 2 big boxes over here. So that's nice. But, you know, another one here, obviously. There's that Hero Factory armor stuff, which is in bags, and I was like thinking, maybe I just put it in the entirety of it, all the bits of armor, put it all in just one box, and just keep it there like that. But that's not a good idea. I don't think. And well, can't really do much like this with just one hand. I mean, I just put the bricks on the floor with the other hand, just so that I can unveil a lot of plates. Oh boy, there's a lot of them. Here's a lot of angled plates and all, and the bigger ones, lengthier ones. I don't know what kind of order I was going in, but you have this, and then you have this. A lot more. They kind of partially sorted them. Wait, I'm terrible at showing. Kind of partially sorted them in sizes. Obviously, they've kind of mixed up. But this is very nice. A lot of green stuff. Again, from Minecraft, probably. A lot of the, like that. What is it? What kind of blue? Teal, even. Actually, might it be teal? From Nether sets of Minecraft. Yeah, and you know, and all I have is this here box with angled pieces now that I added into it, and obviously that's not how I'm going to keep it. So again, probably to a bigger box. And in here, if we're going to look at it, it's all the larger pieces. It's all the oh look, it's a door. It's a window. Oh, well, you know about doors and windows and jail cell things, and then these that open downward. Or is it kind of trapdoor type things? Yeah. 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 A lot of them. Similar situation. Don't know what to do exactly, but I don't know if there's much to say about it. There's these garage door things, of which I mentioned, and there's these bigger pieces. So this is supposed to be like a door. Or this is supposed to be like a window. Is this even actual Lego? I don't know. And then there's also like 5 of these helicopter blades. And that's sort of the extent of it. So, I don't know. I don't know. Essentially, what's going to happen right now is I'm soon going to cut to, well, after I've done it, which is probably going to be not today even. I've got like the entire day, and I spent a lot of time putting it all together like this, because the pieces aren't connected, obviously. So just sort of putting them on top of each other, yes, was a ton of fun. Let's see. I was thinking actually about these long pieces right here, very long. Is it actually? Yes, it's exactly 16, I guess, is what this is. It's 4 of these. That's really nice. But I mean, do I just even put them here, or do I put them alongside the larger plates? I don't know. Because you have, I mean, these do I put alongside where? So how many? I mean, like 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? It's like 9 maybe. So it's like almost 20 of those at least. It's a lot. It's a lot, and it doesn't really make sense to put them alongside the rest. And that was 2x6s, right? Yes. So I've got a lot more black ones here, and then those are just, there's 1 or 2 of those in the front. So that's all I have to say. I mean, I can also pour this out like this and just sort of roughly show, well, what do we have? We have like large bricks here, and then we got more large bricks, but not the largest. Some of them here, you know, and then it's just well, actually, it's more like this. Yeah, and it all came from this, right? Of which, yes, yeah, nice. Oh, right, and I forgot to mention, in 1x2s, there's a lot of them. I don't know what to do. I'm going to do the same thing as with this, just like, what the hell? Where am I going to put them? Am I going to put them in these boxes? I mean, there's, what is it, 7 slots here, as I've said, and no slots there. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. Ah, and now I'm done. And now it's done. It's done. Oh, so this here is all that I had, and then here is all that I had also, these angled, and these are additional. So I'm going to now uh, soon cut and add all that to there to show you how it looks. Because, I mean, look at all this. Look at this pillar, look at that pillar, all of it, so much. I don't even know. Like, again, I think I already said it, right? Put it all in the box. This I can't just put in a box. Simply cannot. I mean, it's small pieces. How do I group them? I don't know. Probably by color somehow. I did from here, take out these pieces, of which there are two, of which there are one. This is like Keat orange is what it's called. So between yellow and orange also, there's just the one. I don't know what to do with it. They are in here, and I'll probably put them back in there. But that reminds me of this. How am I meant to dig for different colors? I'm gonna have to do the same as I did with this, with that. That's already something that I've said, and yeah, I just sort of remembered. Also, this is still a mess, and that is still a mess. All of it, a bunch of it, is still a mess. Now here, in this here box, you may notice. Oh, what's that piece? Oh, what's that piece? These are all these pieces. So we're just gonna scooch them over, and they're just gonna go in there, and that is nope, no, not kind of not how I want it to be, because if I'm going to be putting all of this in here, if I'm going to be putting all of this in there, yeah, seemingly it's fine, but is it? I don't know. Still, I guess if this is not a problem, then the fact that there's all of these and I kind of want to separate them by sides, these are like that, those are like that, and just keep it all nice and tidy, and I think it should be fine. I should be able to do that, like group these all up. Yeah, probably in bags even. I mean, obviously I can keep all these together, these weirder pieces. Then, of course I add this onto there, and then these light blue ones onto here, and all that. It's all very nice. But, yeah. And then, well, now I'm just left to figure it all out. I mean, I nicely put it all descending, so now I know what's there the most of, what's there the least of. I mean, there's only three colors of two only of each piece, then here's four pieces with only one of each, and then there's one with two of each. So, well, what two of each? That doesn't make any sense, but that's all going to be grouped up, and you can see. So I kind of left a gap there, let's say. I'm probably going to put that all together with that, probably. Yes. I only, after all, have four of these ice cream boxes. Well, I have four. But that's because, hey, this is all, whatever. But that's only because there's all the bricks on my bed. This is just too much. I think it's just a little bit. It's almost just a tad bit too much. Well, let's see. Let's cut. Like I can just pause. Like bam! Whoa! Look at this. Absolute towers. Yes. Okay. That reminds me. Where there's just one of each of these colors, and then when there's just one of this, and when there's just a few of these, same as with that, I'm probably going to do that. I'm going to probably split them off the rest. Just keep them on the side so that I know and can find the unique ones somewhere else apart from the bigger, larger groups. Now, I already sort of did this, a bit of separating, probably gonna do it like this, like that, I don't know. I'm gonna of course have to lay these out on here, same as everything. And I think that sorta sorting just wraps it up for today. Right. Well, for today. I say goodbye. I say bye-bye to you. Maybe it's the end of the video. Hey, who knows?